Can't wait. Now, show crime isn't new to the scene, and Richie gets his story.
Tell us at the beats, them right. Tell us at the trees, them dry.
Oh, remember the original J.O.P. artists, them. They have the show crime. You have the Jades, you have the governor, you have System. You know, you have the general himself, I don't know. But remember, I want to know, show crime.
That's that, man.
Show crime.
One go, man. You know, go, man.
Bro, where have you been, bro? Because you jump out on this dancehall scene and you're going to bag of things, a bag of songs, and people love the vibes, the big voice.
Sure,
you get me, I say? But show crime for a time now, we see, like, Mr. That Space, like.
I want to say in around, like 2020, get entangled with the law, so me get 3 years. Get up on probation, you know? Start putting back some work, change to the better black jean, bone apart. So I go to Boom and catch piece of the Bright Nation.
So my goal, I'm never bad man. I never stop trying.
I just work, bro. I just know, you see me?
Oh, yeah, you actually got into music, though.
Watch out when you there, like Georges.
Yeah.
Tool, Bovey, me, what are we do this? They don't know beat pan decks and vibes out. Till Tool goes and make you know Diddy. Goes and know Diddy now, we just start putting some work. From putting all 14, I just say the ball game kind of changed different for me, you see.
You mentioned being locked away for a time. How that affected your career, though?
When me did it, the only thing me and made is say, oh, John, I'm just dying to come out. But done did it already. I have to accept that. And I say, yeah. What you gonna do now? How you gonna pass the time? How you gonna improve? So that's when I start reading more books. Start learning about keys, tones. Mr. Griffiths, big up yourself. Yeah, the water that help me learn that something there.
And ready again?
Delivery ready. I say I have to go to the drawing board more time, you know?
Yeah.
Sketch back out 2 things the way for, you know, what we really need for fix. So when you do that now, I can accept the need for fix. Yeah. Just move on to the next level.
You also lost a member of J.O.P. also, System.
System, man. I'm family that, man. I say, oh, a booze give me my name, no show crime, you know. We just left Georges, they call me Showtime. I say, can I name that? Showtime. But they say rhythm, you know. The clash with it.
Showtime rhythm.
Yeah, because so we that. And with that Ricky place, when they rhythm their place. They say, I say about Showtime. I say, that don't make sense. System for you, and I say, oh, yeah, man. Show crime, in here. I say, yeah. But the spelling, me create it. S-H-O-K-R-Y-M-E.
Yeah.
Mean loyalty, mean creative, mean all of my trade.
So System basically play a part on your journey. And
Yeah, man. Size Bows, man. Rest in peace.
Dancehall right now.
Yeah.
Lyrically, you're bad.
Stop
You
it,
have that
man.
big voice.
Stop it, man.
I who don't remember your voice, they're going to know today. You get me? I say?
Stop it, man.
You feel like you're ready back for dancehall again?
What I'm saying, man, big man thing, you know. But nah, this nobody, you know. Big up on yourself, you know, but no fight artists them, bro. Where else them go sing, bro? Where them go through? What kind of experience them can teach somebody say, yo, don't do that and you win out? I don't really know enough, fam. So enough of them are just continue to sing back the same thing over and over. Recycle the lyrics them. So watch now, what show crime I come with are the difference. The new thing them. The different words them. The different flows them. The final flows them, you know. Kid Leon, out of all time. Bad man, we no chat long. Coulda Samson pit me the chang one. Boy, if you run like hot later the truck meet in London. Some talk about them nah do no action. Who a run would know the army or Jaguar? Them fi know say you know where ball game go, man.
Success is the best revenge.
What made it change, Joe? Because from All 14 was a really grimy song. Now to Success, what are your best revenge? Like, it's a Nelson Mandela trait, you know? Drop the violence again with the wordplay and free speech right now around the place, you know?
Watch you know. Me can't tell you say, me completely change. It's just that I'm grown up now, more mature.
Yeah.
Kind of over, say, certain things that should be in a space, in a ear. Yeah. It's like it come back from, because watch it. Yes, I do a song named 4-Way Flasher. I give you a joke. I do a song named 4-Way Flasher, and I verse me say, Judge, prosecutor, lawyer, witness in me right and when. You see me? The judge when she sentenced me, said to me, say, Mr. Pinnock, on that day, when you had that weapon, I know you didn't plan to wave it at anybody and scare them. So on that day, you decided and know, say, you have the judge, the prosecutor, the lawyer, the witness in your right hand.
So basically, one lyrics you use against it in a court.
Fam, me just show you, say, you have to know you say what you mouth.
What's your dream collab though? Producer.
Here.
Producer wise.
Big man thing. If I know Steve, Triton, or TJ, bad too. Yeah man, all not nice too.
So talk to me right now, like, what are your plans though? Like, you know, in a promotion mode right now, you're back and young people know the show crime there again now.
My job, change to the better. Black Gin, Bonaparte. Let's look up more projects, more at videos, more at singles. Crazy work.
Any advice to other artists out there?
If you don't follow your guts, just plan for bear the pressure where it come with. If your guts tell you turn right, turn right. Don't talk where you go turn left. Just know say something wrong on the left and you better plan to bear that. Yeah, just follow on the guts and believe in yourself and don't left out Almighty. Yeah. Room.
You hear the man words, success are the best revenge. God on time. Show crime is back. Check him out.
Success on man.
Father, big myself.
Success on
Respect.
Room.
Success are the best revenge. Do it, make them say it to self-defense. Scare the base, you set the bends.
That